Shocking visuals coming in from Haryana. A VVIP outing, it seems, for a jailed Congress Neta's son. Ahead of elections in the state of Haryana, the son the individual who's been jailed, the son of Congress MLA, was seen roaming free in a hospital. Now, the charges on which he was imprisoned was for money laundering, and he had what it appears to be, was he faking illness? Because he seems to be roaming around outside a hospital in Rohtak. And clearly that then begs a question if he was really sick, for which he was possibly taken to a hospital. These are the visuals that are coming in. Appears to be a CCTV footage right outside the Rohtak hospital. But that's not the only thing that we are talking about here. This brat also got a luxury ride in an SUV vehicle. Seen talking on a mobile phone, holding meetings. Enforcement Directorate had arrested the son of Congress MLA in a money laundering charge, but appears to be getting a free run. The question is, how many prisoners usually not only get such visits to the hospitals, manage to get a mobile phone to talk, can be holding meetings, meeting people. All of that is because he is a legislator's son. Shreya Chatterjee is joining me for the latest and the visuals that have come in. Shreya, good afternoon. This is very interesting. Tell us more about this case.
Pooja, this is an extremely unfortunate visual that's actually been caught on camera. VVIP high-handedness once again on display. Now, this person allegedly has been faking illness is what we're getting to understand. And clearly, Pooja, as you rightly pointed it out on camera, it's not just about him escaping the cops. It's also the special treatment that he's getting that includes a luxury ride for a jailed brat in an SUV. So this is something that speaks on the high-handedness. As you rightly pointed it out, the case pertains to a money laundering case which the Enforcement Directorate had booked him against.
About a little history about this case and this incident, because it's not looking good, specifically ahead of Haryana elections. All sorts of precautions are taken. On one side, we see Gurmeet Ram Rahim getting bail. Then we see someone who's possibly taken to a hospital because he must not be well, because there must be a health concern, and yet he's roaming around like nobody's business.
Well, absolutely, Pooja. You know, what we can see on the visuals, the CCTV camera, this is actually right outside the hospital in Rohtak. We've actually seen roaming around freely. But Pooja, it's not just pertaining to the fact that whether he's being allowed a kind of a special treatment. The bigger question that also lies with the Haryana police also in this particular matter, that why are people being given special treatment, SUV ride? For example, if a person is ill, then there are jail manual that needs to be followed in those particular cases. But this does not look like a case of illness. It looks like a brazen misuse of power, which has been caught on the CCTV. Congress MLA's son clearly seen roaming scot-free, and this is just before the state also goes on into elections. Whether at all he's been involved in influencing any possible, upcoming election things or not is something that also needs to be investigated, because he's booked for a serious charge of money laundering by the Enforcement Directorate in this particular matter.
Also, tell me this, Shreya, that, you know, we realize he's been holding meetings, he's been meeting people. So ahead of Haryana elections, do you think that could be political in nature? That's the visual now on our screen. Him going for an SUV ride. He's in jail. He's still supposed to be in custody. And you've rightly pointed out, it raises a concern on the cops as well about why was he not in a secure zone with the cops escorting him, because otherwise what if he would have just left the location? Let me get this straight, Shreya, that he is taken to the hospital while he's still in prison, while he's supposed to be in jail.
Well, absolutely, Pooja. See, there are concerns that if at all a person is not well and there are certain protocol that needs to be followed,
yes,
it is well accompanied by the police. But why was a special SUV given to him? Why was he given access to the fact that he was making mobile calls and also speaking to people?
Wow.
That is a gross violation on the grounds on which he could have actually been allowed any kind of a special treatment when it comes to illness, because irrespective of the fact that he's well or not, he can't be given a special ride, he can't be given access to phones, because that is also something that he will be could be involved in manipulating witnesses against him in the case that he's involved in.
Do we have details of who is this MLA? What is the name of this individual in question? Or do you think that hasn't been released yet?
Well, Pooja, you know what, we do understand that this is pertaining to a Congress MLA in Rohtak in Haryana, and the person in concern is his son. This is the case pertaining to an ongoing investigation that is right now being conducted by the Enforcement Directorate. We are still yet to get some clarity from the side of the cops on why this kind of special treatment was allocated to him, whether this was something which was directed by the court or not. These are certain things that are still remaining unclear, but this is something that has been caught on the CCTV camera right outside the hospital in Rohtak in Haryana, Pooja.
All right, Shreya, stay on with me because look at these visuals on our screen. It's not as much about what's been caught on camera, but also the fact that we are maybe not surprised. We have seen so many times that norms are being flouted, and that is by the system, by the police as well, because there's no reason for this man to be roaming around individually without a police escort around him. He needs to be guarded at all times, primarily because he's there arrested for money laundering charges. How is he getting SUV rides? Why was not there enough police vehicles around him? Where are the cops? Are the cops also present in the vehicle? Can an individual who's been taken to a hospital, and Shreya, I come to you here, help explain this to me and to viewers. Is there a possibility that someone who's been rushed to a hospital for a medical case, who's currently facing money laundering charges in the jail, can just roam around individually without the cops around him?
Well, absolutely not, Pooja. If at all a person, for example, in this concerned MLA Dharam Singh's son, he's seen roaming around freely, he cannot be roaming around if he's already under the custody of the police. In this particular matter, it is the Enforcement Directorate. In this case, if he's not well, he will have to be well escorted by the police. Definitely, he cannot be given a special ride and also he cannot be given access to any kind of phone calls in this particular matter. So these are all violations on the part, which really needs to be investigated now that these visuals are out in the open, where clearly he doesn't seem to be booked or in jail. He seemed to be like clearly flouting the rules, roaming around the hospital and enjoying as freely as concerned. But this is also putting into concern because we're talking about the upcoming Haryana elections. Whether these individuals are involved in influencing the polls or not is also something that needs to be investigated at the earliest.
This is absolutely horrifying and sadly not the first time that we've seen such norms being flouted. And asking a very pertinent question here. We may not have much clarity on it, but who were the people he was meeting? Was he connected to Haryana elections upcoming? And when you're arrested on money laundering charges, how can you be randomly meeting people? What if there's an attempt to destroy evidence while you are supposedly jailed on the charges? Shreya, thank you for getting us these important visuals. I'll come back to you in a short while as more updates come in on this.